Welcome to this guided meditation. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Let your spine grow tall. Allow yourself to begin to relax. Close your eyes and take a moment to scan through your body. Relax your face. Relax your jaw. And now becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing. And then just allowing your focus to settle on where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. Perhaps in the nostrils or the abdomen, where the breath rises and falls. Let this become the anchor for your attention. All the way from the start of inhalation through to the very end of exhalation. Follow each new breath as if it were your first ever breath. From time to time, you'll notice that your attention becomes distracted. Just noticing that the mind has become distracted, without judging your practice or yourself. Letting go of the thought, sensation or feeling that pulled the mind away, before returning your focus back to the natural flow of your breathing. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. Time after time, letting go and returning your awareness to the flow of your breath. Letting go over and over. Now allowing your focus to relax and just letting the mind do whatever it wants to do. If your mind wants to concentrate, allow that to happen. If your mind wants to be distracted, allow that to happen. Noticing whatever comes into your experience. And as we approach the ending of our practice, bringing your attention back to the space around you. Noticing the pressure of the body resting on the ground or chair beneath you. Be aware of the space around you. And when you're ready, slowly opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too. And subscribe for new meditations every week.